Hello everyone, I hope everyone is doing good. Today we will discuss about a new issue that Docker user must be facing frequently. That is image pull while pod creating. And the error you face, that is error response from daemon too many requests. You have reached your pull rate limit. You may increase the limit by authenticating and upgrading. Okay. To move before moving to problem and solution in detail, let's understand why this behavior is observed recently. I have taken the example, I have taken this article from the Docker site itself, that it's explaining that recently in November month itself, Docker has started to limit the number of pull for users, for unknown users or for free users, because Docker is getting huge number of requests for image pull. So they have started some limit for free users. No, there is no limit for paid users. This is for only for the anonymous and free users. Okay, free account users. There are two types of free users. First, those are completely anonymous. Those have not registered on the Docker site with the username and password itself. Those are completely anonymous to Docker. So Docker will use the client IP to monitor the number of pulls. And second type of free users who have created the free account on the Docker site with the user ID and password. So limit for these type of different users is different. You can see that the rate limit of 100 container image requests per 6 hour for anonymous user who have not created any account on Docker. They are having the 100 pull per 6 hour, and the users who have the free account on Docker, they have the limit 200 pull per 6 hours. So their limit is double. We will take the case how we can solve the problem for anonymous user and for the free account users. If you are the individual user, then I think 100 pull per 6 hour is very huge and sufficient. You will not face any issue. But if your server is behind some organization common IP, and the client IP is common for all server inside your organization, then you will face this issue, 100 pull per 6 hour or 200 pull per 6 hours. Okay, so let's move towards the solution. Here you can see that I tried to pull the busy box image with the latest tag. Here I have not given any tag, so it will try to pull the latest one. I faced the error response from daemon too many requests. You have reached your pull rate limit. Okay, so what's the solution? Here you can see I'm not using any username or password to pull the image. So here I'm completely anonymous user for the Docker site. So anonymous user limit has been increased. So first solution is you can face this issue either while pulling the image directly from the Docker site or while creating the pod using that image. Okay, if you have initiate the pod creation command, you will get the error image pull back off, and when you describe the pod, then you will get to know that your image pull limit has been increased. The same error you will see. So when you will try to pull the image manually on the worker node using the Docker pull, you will get the same error. So first solution is create your free account on Docker site. It's just a free. You need to give the username and password only, so you will be authenticated on Docker site. Here you can see that I tried to pull the busy box. It gave me error. Then I log into the Docker site. Docker login using the username. It will ask for the password. In the coming slide, we will discuss how to give the password. Okay. For now, let's consider I use the password and it said login succeed. At the same time, when I use the same command docker busy box, then command was successful. Okay, so first as I tried with the anonymous user, limit has been increased. Then I logged into the Docker site with the username and password. Please note this username and password is just free, it's just the free registration that you do on the different sites. So just by giving the username and password, I could fetch the busybox image. So first idea is to create the free account. Second is, as I try to explain the limit 100 per 6 hour and 200 per 6 hour, the limit is per 6 hour. So after 6 hour limit is reset. I tried to create a pod. It failed with the image pullback of error. And after 6, I left the pod in that situation only. After 6 hour, when limit was reset, pod was created automatically because it was continuously trying to pull the image. Okay, now we were discussing how to create the token I used in the password. When you will go to your Docker account, your web page hubdocker.com, you can use the directly this link hub.docker.com settings security, or you can log into the hubdocker.com account setting, then security. Here you have the option to create the token, new access token. When you click on new access token, it will ask for the token name, any random name, and will give you one token, and that token can be used in the password option. Just paste the token here, then your login would be successful. It is this case the example I shared with you. Here you had to use the manually username and password to log into the Docker, but using the pull secret, you can create the secret with the Docker user ID, password, and your registry path already, and then you can use that secret name in your deployment. So instead of anonymous user, your deployment will use that username and password to pull the image. So it is kind of the same thing. Instead of doing the manual Docker login, you are passing your Docker login in advance while creating the deployment. Okay, that also will solve your problem. I have not explained that scenario here in very detail, but if you need the scenario in detail, then let me know. We will discuss that also. Right? Okay. Tell me in the comment box if you tried this and it was successful for you. Like the video, tell me in the comment box, subscribe and share with your friends. Thanks for watching.